Assalamu alaikum dear viewers, this is Nasir Khan Khail. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a bootable Windows 11 USB using Rufus step by step. Whether you are installing Windows on a new computer or reinstalling it on your existing PC, this method is simple, reliable and completely free. By the end of this tutorial, you will have to fully bootable Windows 11 USB ready for installation. Let's get started. Step 0. Download Windows 11 ISO. The first step is to download the official Windows 11 ISO file. Open your web browser and visit Microsoft Windows 11 download page. Scroll down to download Windows 11 disk image ISO. Select Windows 11 multi-edition ISO, then click download. Choose your preferred language, click confirm and download the 64-bit version. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few minutes. Once the download is complete, you are ready for the next step. Step 1. Download Rufus. Now let's download Rufus. Open your browser and visit rufus.ie. Download the latest version available. Rufus is a portable application, so there is no installation required. Once the download is complete, simply double-click the file to launch it. Step number 2. Insert a USB flash drive into your computer. Your USB drive should have at least 8 GB of storage. Before continuing, make sure you have backup any important files because this process will completely erase anything on the USB drive. Once your USB is connected, we can move on. Step number 3. Open the Rufus application. If Windows displays a user account control message, simply click yes. Rufus will automatically detect your connected USB drive. Now we are ready to configure the bootable Windows 11 USB. Step number 4. Under the device section, make sure the correct USB drive is selected. If multiple USB devices are connected, carefully choose the one you want to use. Selecting the wrong drive may result in accidental data loss, so always double check before proceeding. Step number 5. Now click the select button. Browse to the folder where you saved the Windows 11 ISO file. Select the ISO file and click open. Rufus will automatically load the Windows 11 image and configure the required settings. Step number 6. For the most modern computers, the default Rufus settings are exactly what you need. Keep the partition scheme set to GPT and the target system set to UEFI. Leave the file system and cluster size at their default values. These settings are recommended for Windows 11 installation on most PCs. Step number 7. Everything is now ready. Click the start button to begin creating the bootable USB. If Rufus displays any warning messages, simply read them carefully and click OK to continue. The formatting process will begin and all the data on the USB drive will be erased. Step number 8. Wait until the status shows ready. Now all you need to do is wait. Rufus will copy the Windows 11 installation files to your USB drive. The time required depends on your computer's performance and the speed of your USB drive. When the status changes to ready, your bootable USB 11 USB has been created successfully. Step number 9. Close Rufus. Once the process is complete, click close to exit Rufus. Safely eject the USB drive from your computer. Congratulations! Your Windows 11 USB is now ready to install Windows on a compatible computer. The next step is boot from the USB. Now insert the bootable USB into the computer where you want to install Windows 11. Turn on the computer and immediately open the boot menu by pressing the appropriate keys such as F12, F9, Escape, F2 or another key depending on your computer's manufacturer. From the boot menu, select your USB drive and press enter. The Windows setup screen will appear. Simply follow the on-screen instruction to install Windows 11. So dear viewers, you have successfully created a bootable Windows 11 USB using Rufus. I hope this tutorial was helpful and easy to follow. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more computer tutorial and technology tips. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below and I will be happy to help. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day and I will see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.